If you're working on a marketing plan, there's one thing you absolutely need to get right: your unique selling proposition, or USP. Let's talk about what a USP is, why it matters, and how you can define one that makes your brand stand out. Your unique selling proposition is what makes your business different from everyone else. But it's not just about being different, it's about being valuable in a way that connects with your target audience. Think of it as the reason why a customer would choose you over your competitor. To define your USP, ask yourself a few key questions. What makes your product or service different? What unique value do you offer to your customers? Which specific problem are you solving? Your unique edge could come from things like superior quality, affordable pricing, innovative features, exceptional customer service, or even exclusivity, something no one else offers. For example, a sustainable fashion brand might focus on eco-friendly materials and ethical production. A tech company might highlight AI-powered automation that makes life easier for users. Your USP should be clear, concise, and customer-focused. When done right, your USP gives your brand a voice, a direction, and a strong edge in the market. Once you've defined your USP, make sure it shows up everywhere. In your website copy, your ads, your sales pitch, even your social media. Consistency builds recognition, and recognition builds trust. So what sets you apart? Start defining your unique selling proposition today. And watch how it transforms your marketing strategy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your USP idea in the comments. I'd love to hear what makes your brand shine.